Hello! In this video we're going to talk about the associative property. The associative property has to do with grouping. Okay? And the associative property for addition states that grouping, the order of the grouping, does not affect the outcome. So let's look at this example right here. A plus B in parentheses plus C equals A plus B plus C in parentheses. So we have parentheses here. Notice our ABC is the same order. We have ABC, ABC. So the order doesn't change, it's just the grouping changing. All right, so we have AB in parentheses, and then equals, and we have BC in parentheses. So what changes is the grouping. The order does not change. So let's put some numbers to it. Okay, so we have 4 plus 5 is done first because of the parentheses, that's 9. And we have plus 3, and that equals 12. Okay, on our other side, we have 5 plus 3 we add first, that's 8. And then plus 4, and again that's 12. The associative property allows us to change grouping without changing the outcome. So we have 3 plus 2 is 5. We do that first because of the parentheses. Then we have plus 4, and that's 9. Okay, on this other side, we do 2 plus 4 first, that's 6, and 6 plus 3 is 9. So you can see in both instances we came up with 9. And again, as long as we the associative property 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, the order stayed the same. The only thing we changed was our grouping, and the associative property allows us to change the order of grouping without affecting the outcome. Okay, so the associative property also holds for multiplication. So again, let's put some numbers to it. So again, we have our order the same, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 6. The only thing that changes is parentheses. So in this case, we have parentheses around the 3 and the 5, so that's 15. Then we have times 6, and that equals. In this case, we have 5 times 6 first, which is 30, and that's times 3. All right, 3 times 30 is 90, and 15 times 6 is 90. Associative property allows us to move the parentheses or regroup as long as our order stays the same. Okay? Okay, the associative property does not hold for subtraction, and the associative property does not hold for division. So again, the associative property works for multiplication and addition, but does not work for subtraction or division.